Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath936.
Yeah, maybe 935, but that's fine. So we learned about this program called
Timmy Two-Step.
Timmy Two-Step from our Twitter friend Karen Carlson, and it's a program from, I think, was it the University of Texas for the website for this?
Maybe.
Yeah, don't worry, it's fine. And what we're doing, what you do in this program, I'll point with our purple marker, is you're trying to transform the dark blue stick figure into the ghost stick figure. And so what happens in this transformation? How would you describe what's happening here?
So nothing is getting any taller, so the Y would stay the same.
Okay.
Which is the second row that controls the Y of our, I guess, what our target.
Okay.
And then the first row, X is getting longer but not moving over. Like it's just rotating out, kind of like that.
Okay.
So, and that kind of looks like X and Y are adding together, because down here, when Y is 0, X doesn't move.
Okay.
So that's going to be that, and then when I click this, it works.
It transformed over. Okay. All right, let's go to the next. We'll might be able, there's only 10 of them, so we might be able to get through all of them. What happens here?
So this is a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation. So you can kind of think that you can think of this is X, you can think of it rotating up to the Y, and then your Y is rotating down to negative X.
All right.
So, I'm going to get rid of these. So your X is here. These top two rows. So we can think of it.
I'm just going to put my finger there. Okay, yeah, sorry, there's a little dialog box on the screen, so I wasn't sure it was on camera.
So,
okay.
X becomes Y, and Y becomes negative X.
All right, let's see if that's right. Okay.
Nope, that went in the other way. So,
okay, what happened here?
So I guess when we're multiplying the vector xy, or when we're multiplying the vector xy by this matrix, which is essentially what we're doing, you multiply row by column. So I guess the first vector you get is y, or the first number in your new vector.
Okay.
You get y, and then you get minus x.
All right. But what happens? So that's here. So the x value of the ghost here. So your first. Actually, we should check. I might be using target and ghost wrong. But
the target is this one. The ghost is just where you started.
The ghost is. Oh, the ghost is the starting one. Okay.
Yeah.
So here. So what did your matrix produce here? Your 0, 1, minus 1, 0 matrix.
So we rotated 90 degrees clockwise.
Okay. And so what happened in this? Tell me about the x values of this one that you produced.
So the x values are positive.
Okay.
But they're the positive y values.
All right. The x values are the positive y values. And what about the y values?
They're the negative x values.
Okay. And what were you intending to produce?
I was hoping to do the other way. So the y values were going to be positive x values, and the x values were going to be the negative y values.
Okay. And what do you need to do to produce that?
So we just need to flip this around. So this needs to be a 1. This one up here just needs to be a minus 1.
Okay. All right.
There we go.
There you go. So what we see here in this 90-degree rotation is the x values of the rotated figure are equal to what?
They're equal to the negative y values of our original.
Okay.
And then the y values are equal to the x values of the original.
Okay, good. So I think there's 8 more, so we'll just do those in the next videos.